we're here because we have my team has a vested interest, I have a vested interest in taking care of those folks to make sure everybody gets equal access to the science and equal access to the vaccine and the opportunity. So giving them both boosters, primary series, both shots, if they wish to do so today. I feel, as an outside individual, that these folks here are getting the exact same health care, the exact same opportunities that I would have given anybody in the community, in the school system, or whatnot. And that was what brought me in gratis here, with no other motivation other than to take care of my people and to, protect the community as well. Not only from these folks in here, but bringing it outside into the community when they go home. And these are great guys, they just made some bad choices.
I first got the vaccine, number one, as obviously to protect myself, but honestly to protect my family. I've had direct discussions after getting the vaccine with members of my own family. And I think in general, there was just kind of overall skepticism, especially in the Black community, but in Black and Brown communities alike. There are historic health inequities, and so there are reasonable concerns from members of those communities. And that's a community that I belong to as well. And that's why I had to inform myself and look at the data myself. The data was very reassuring, and one thing for me as a Black American was seeing how diverse the patient population was in each trial and feeling comfortable with that as well. There is lots of misinformation in the media, and it's hard to combat that. And so I would go with trusted sources, medical professionals, people in your community, people in your family, ask about their experiences and get familiar.
With the appearance of the latest variant of the coronavirus, Omicron, please do not delay. The time to get vaccinated is now. If you have not received any vaccine, start now. If you are eligible for a booster, get it now. The vaccines against coronavirus instruct your body to produce these antibodies directly against the coronavirus, the cause of COVID. If coronavirus enters your body, these antibodies will recognize the virus and eliminate it. You have probably heard something about the coronavirus spike protein. This is the part of the virus that helps it stick to our cells if it enters our body. The antibodies that you get after you receive the COVID vaccines attach to the virus spike proteins and stop it from entering our cells. This prevents the infection from getting bad. The more doses of the COVID vaccines you get, the higher the levels of antibodies in your blood. The CDC now recommends that everyone 18 years of age and older should get a booster shot. If you initially received either the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines, you are eligible for a booster 6 months after your second shot. If you initially received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, you are eligible for a booster 2 months after your shot.
Yo soy Eva Galvez y soy un médico en la Clínica Virginia García en Portland, Oregon. Yo sirvo a muchos pacientes de países latinoamericanos, muchos inmigrantes. Mis pacientes hablan español y mis pacientes y mi comunidad ha sido impactada por el virus COVID-19. Por eso estoy muy contenta y emocionada que la vacuna contra el COVID ya está aquí. Pero estoy preocupada porque muchos me han expresado mucho miedo y desconfianza en cuanto a la vacuna. Pero yo estoy aquí para animarlos a todos de que la vacuna es segura y es efectiva. Yo me la voy a poner y estoy animando a que todos mis colegas y miembros de comunidad se pongan la vacuna también. Este es un paso esencial para empezar a promover la salud en nuestra comunidad.